Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Account verified, 2FA enabled, and funds or demo selected. Open the Exness Terminal on desktop or browser and log in with your credentials. Once done, select the desired server and account type, real or demo, then sync market data. This avoids stale prices. Make sure to check your balance, leverage, and instrument list so orders will execute as intended before you place trades. You now configure the workspace. Arrange charts, apply indicators, and save a template for quick reuse. Next, prepare an order, choose market, limit, or stop, enter lot size, and add stop loss and take profit using pips or dollar values. Once done, use the order preview or one-click trading to confirm execution. This prevents input errors. Make sure to monitor margin and leverage. Adjust position sizing to keep free margin above critical levels as you trade. You finish by actively managing positions. Adjust stop loss, take profit, or use partial closes and trailing stops to lock gains. Once trades close, review trade history and performance metrics to refine strategy. If executions lag or fail, verify internet, switch servers, and relog. These usually fix common issues. If problems persist, export logs and contact Exness support with timestamps and order ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.